whole note is worth 4 beats, a whole note rest is 4 beats of silence, a half note is 2 beats, a half note rest is 2 beats of silence, a quarter note is 1 beat, and a quarter note rest is 1 beat of silence. When you're playing an open string and you come to a rest, you're going to want to gently touch that string to stop it from sounding using your fretting hand. When you're playing a fretted note, in this case D, and you come to a rest, you're going to want to just gently release your grip to stop that note from sounding. Down here I've got 3/4 time notated by the number 3/4. That means we've got 3 beats in every measure, and each beat is worth 1/4 note, as opposed to 4/4 time where we had 4 beats in each measure. 4/4 time is sometimes notated with the letter C, which stands for common time. So in 3/4 time, you're going to be counting 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 over and over again. At the bottom here, I've got a dotted half note rest, which is worth 3 beats, and also a whole note rest, which is good for whatever the time signature is, in this case, 3 beats.